Good morning. Uh, Unit 2. Today's topic is the evolution of data architectures. So we have a various data architecture from traditional days to present environment. So the evolution of data structure, which showcases how data system have transformed over the time. So every time period we have a different kind of architecture, data architecture from traditional days to till now how the data architecture is evolving. That we will see one by one. This data architecture, why we are transforming over time to is to meet the growing business needs, increasing the complexity of the data and technological advancements, which decides the transformation on the data architecture. This evolution have seen the shift from traditional to current cloud-based solutions or any other advanced architecture like machine learning and AI. We'll see one by one. The first evolution of data architecture is traditional database, which is used in 1970s to 1990s. The earliest data architecture was built around relational database. With the help of RDBMS, we have built data architecture. Um Already you know what is RDBMS. RDBMS mostly we use SQL and MySQL, Oracle. So these things and all RDBMS, relational databases. These databases were on-premises system that use structured query language. Okay. And the characteristics centralized, monolithic, and tightly coupled system which uses these kind of data architecture. The key technologies are Oracle, IBM DB2, MySQL, PostgreSQL. So second evolution of data architecture is data warehousing, which is in 1980s till 2000. So as businesses grown more and more, data also generated more. So those days, traditional days, we only believe on RDBMS. We can store the data with the help of structured query language. Later on, data warehouse emerged. Using this data warehouse, we can store the historical data and support business intelligence and reporting. Data was extracted, transformed, and loaded. We do ETL process into the data warehouse from multiple systems. So the main thing of data warehouse is data was organized in a star or snowflake schema optimized for queries and analysis. The key technologies are Teradata, Microsoft SQL, Oracle Data Warehouse. The third evolution is big data architecture from 2000 to 2010, 10 years period. So with the rise of internet and social media business begin generating large amount of unstructured data or semi-structured data day to day, this big data architecture emerged to handle these kind of data. This big data architecture is distributed and scalable in nature and capable of processing unstructured data like text, images, videos, etc. Key technologies are Hadoop, Apache Hive, Apache HBase, Apache Spark. The fourth evolution is data lake from 2010 to 2020 or 15, those period. Data lakes uh, is to store the large amount of raw data in a native format. So whatever the format we have, the same format, the raw data is stored in the storage. That is what the data lake. Without the rigid structure of data warehouse, they are designed to store both structured and unstructured data, but the raw data directly we are generating the data and directly it is stored in the data lake. Characteristics large scale, cost effective storage for any type of data, ideal for data scientists to exact value over the time. Key technologies are Amazon S3, Hadoop HDFS, Microsoft Azure Data Lake. And fifth architecture is cloud data architecture from 2010 to present. So nowadays, nowadays also we are using data cloud data architecture with the rise of cloud computing. Once the computing concept emerged. That time itself, this architecture, uh, we are introduced this kind of architecture. This data architecture migrated to cloud-based platform, offering on-demand scalability, reduced infrastructure cost, and global accessibility. Already you know what is cloud. Cloud is nothing but pay-per-use. We can access globally, and there is no infrastructure for any application. So these kind of architecture emerged from 2010 to present. Data lake and data warehouse are reimagined, refined uh, in the cloud. Characteristics same, scalable, flexible, cost effective, and pay per use. Key technologies Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, Snowflake, Azure Platform. These are the various cloud platforms. And the sixth evolution of data is real-time data architecture 2020 to present nowadays. A data-driven decision needed to made faster real-time data architecture. It was developed to process and analyze streaming data, that is live data, as it generated. This shift is essential for real-time analytics, IoT, and AI. That is what the real-time data architecture. The main characteristics of real-time data architecture is low latency, event-driven architecture to handle the large-scale data, high velocity of data stream. And key technologies are Apache Kafka, AWS Nessus, Google Pub, and Apache Flink. Then final one is modern data platform, data mesh. This is an emerging technology. Data mesh and data modern data platform both are evolving to decentralized data ownership and improve the agility by treating data as a product. Data mesh is nothing but distributes the data ownership across the different teams within the organization, aiming to break down the data slows. Characteristics decentralized, product focused, domain oriented ownership, self serve data infrastructure with more anatomy for data teams. The key technologies are Snowflake, Databricks, AWS Glue, Azure Purview. So this is the technology, emerging technology, modern data platform and data mesh. So so far we have seen all the uh, evolving evolution of data architecture from traditional days to till now data mesh. Thank you.